In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly add Shopify variants, images, and prices using the new Shopify Admin. With the recent updates to Shopify, navigating through the admin panel may seem a bit different, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step you need to master these actions easily and seamlessly. We begin our journey by taking a look at the left panel of your Shopify Admin dashboard. Here, you'll notice various options, but for today, we're going to focus specifically on products. Go ahead and click on this option. Navigating to your products is always the first step when it comes to managing what you're selling on Shopify. Once inside the products section, you'll be presented with a list of all the items you currently have in your store. Now, locate and click on the specific product you want to update or edit. This brings up a detailed view of the product, showing you all the current information attached to it. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for the variants section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find an option here labeled Add. Give that a click. Adding variants is crucial if your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles. The first thing you'll want to do when you're in the variants section is to add an option name. The option name is essentially the category of the variation you're adding. For instance, common option names include size, color, or material. Following this, you'll enter the option values. These values are the specific details under your chosen category. For instance, if your option name is color, your values might be red, blue, and green. When you have filled in the details, click Done to confirm your additions. This step ensures your customers can see all the available choices for your product. With your variants now in place, the next task is to add images and set prices. Look for the image icon that appears alongside your newly created variants. By clicking this icon, you'll be able to upload different images that correspond to each variant. This is especially helpful in ensuring your customers know exactly what they are purchasing. Additionally, you can input specific prices for each variant. This flexibility allows you to account for different costs associated with different variants, should there be any. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through adding Shopify variants, images, and prices in the new admin panel. It's all about making your store as informative and user-friendly as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.